Gingerbread display, day 7. This one was extremely tall, a lot of open space. Didn't really know what to do with it, just like the other ones. At this point, I was running out of designs, and so I just did a candy cane design with a Christmas tree. Day 8, the last one. This one and the chimney were my two favorite ones that I did. And after 8 days, all 6 were finally done. And as always, your support is appreciated by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.